PUER tea. PUER tea has been known for more than 1,000 years in China, with a relatively lower profile to other more elegant Chinese tea varieties. Recently, however, it has acquired celebrity status in China, attracting much attention and investment due alleged weight-reducing and nourishment properties. Notoriety has now spread outside of China due to the obesity pandemic in Western societies. PUER tea is traditionally consumed in areas of China such as Yunnan and Tibet, with a tradition of having high-fat diets, for example lamb, horse meat, dairy products, and the Mongol tradition. These people didn't manifest the ill effects normally associated with such a diet, giving rise to a belief that the diet was balanced by some factors associated with the PUER tea targeted at reducing body fat. Some studies were initiated to study this aspect of PUER tea. One laboratory study compared fat-reducing effects by tea extract and concluded fully fermented PUER and black tea leaves and partially fermented oolong tea leaves were more effective on their growth suppressive and hypolipidemic effects as compared to the non-fermented green tea leaf. Where to buy PUER tea? PUER tea is easily available online and across stores and supermarkets all over the world. How to take PUER tea? Ideally, you lose the most weight using PUER tea. You should drink 1 to 5 cups of PUER tea per day without adding any other Chinese tea or drinks. If you do this, the weight loss effect will be the most noticeable. PUER tea weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 2 liters of clean water, 30 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ripe PUER tea, ice cubes for serving. How to prepare? Boil water in a pot and then add brown sugar. Stir until dissolve. If you prefer, you can wash your PUER tea leaves quickly with hot water and transfer the leaves to the pot. Continue cook for 1 minute. Turn off the fire and rest for 4 to 6 minutes with lid covered. Strain the liquid to remove the tea leaves, cool down in room temperature and then refrigerate. Add ice cubes before serving if you prefer. Benefits: PUER tea has been touted for many years as a great weight loss tea because of its ability to help us burn fat and shred pounds, as well as having a deliciously mellow and deeply earthy flavor. Drinking PUER tea at the correct times will help you shed unwanted pounds by helping your body to metabolize fat. If you drink PUER tea at the wrong times, it is said that it will actually cause you to gain weight instead. The best time to drink a cup of PUER tea for weight loss goals is 1 hour after a meal, so that the PUER tea can remove excess grease and help your body eliminate unwanted and leftover hard-to-digest fats. Moreover, if you drink PUER half an hour or so before you eat a meal, it will cause the opposite effect and can cause you to gain weight instead, because when you drink PUER tea before a meal, it clears up the fat deposits in your body and then residue in the stomach, so that it actually increases your appetite, causing you to eat more. Precaution: although PUER tea has many health benefits, you may need to pay attention to the fact that drinking PUER tea too much may cause certain side effects such as insomnia, excitement, and bloating. In addition, some people are allergic to caffeine, and drinking in such situations is likely to cause discomfort. Or if you are pregnant or nursing, consult a doctor before drinking to confirm whether you can drink PUER tea or not. These side effects are mainly due to the caffeine that are contained in the tea, and pregnant and lactating women should also avoid drinking this tea. As with any healthy beverage, proper amount is the key to preventing adverse side effects. Before you add this plant and tea to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure PUER tea is safe for you.